Are you ready for this? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we are going to do a fun, simple set using Born Pretty's newest magnetic Milky Cateyes collection. And I'm going to use 4 cat eyes out of the 6. I did not use the nude, and I think there was one other color I didn't use. I can't remember what it was offhand, but I do use those in a previous video, so go ahead and check that one out too, and go ahead and check out the unboxing. So I know you will love it. Anyway, so we are going to use these magnets, and first I'm going to kind of just brush around to spread that color out and kind of blend them in just a tiny bit. And you know, this is going to be a really easy, beginner friendly type of design, and I am going to be using nail decals, not stickers, but I'm going to be using decals, and I'm going to show you how I use those just in case you never have before. So anyway, I'm going to go through and I'm just blending these in just a tiny bit, and then I'm going to go through with my magnet, with the little cylinder magnet, and I'm going to activate that cat eye. And then once I do that, I'm going to go back and I'm going to use those little round metal ball magnets to create kind of a, I don't know what you would call it. It's kind of almost like a water design, like, you know how the water ripples on the top. Anyway, it's kind of like that, but you'll see what it looks like. And then it's going to be super easy nail art. We are going to go in with those decals. So I am going to go ahead and jump off of here and let you watch, because this is really easy, and I think most people can do it, and beginners, I think you will get a really great final look, even if you are just not familiar with cat eyes, or, you know, just gels and polish, you know, just to help you get used to using some of these products. So I'm going to go ahead and jump off here, but I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that takes the time to watch my videos, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell. And if you're part of that 60% that watches but has not subscribed yet, yeah, what's the hold up? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I'm sure you don't want to miss any of the videos and shorts that I have coming up, because I think there's some pretty great designs that will be coming up in the very near future. And y'all, you know, I do both easier, beginner-friendly designs, and I try to mix it up with some more complicated, advanced designs. So I try to do a combination for whoever's watching. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump off of here and let you watch and enjoy. And I hope you go ahead and leave me a comment, like, share, so that I know you were here. And as always, I'm sending you, each and every one of you, love, hugs, and blessings. Until the next time, bye-bye.